As part of Module 1, I need you to set up and install your PHPStorm client, which is where we will write JavaScript code for this class. I know it's called PHPStorm and not JavaScript Storm, but PHPStorm is a great multi-purpose integrated development environment for web development. And we also use it in some of the other classes, so it was easier for most students to just use the same software for all of the web design classes here at BC. So what we're going to do is on the Canvas page for Module 1, you can see here there is a link that says Create a JetBrains Education Account. We're going to click on that, and that will take you to this page. All you need to do is scroll down, click Apply Now, and even though you don't go to a university necessarily, you'll use your university email address, and you'll say, I'm a student, level of study is undergraduate, computer science is the field of study, and then here you're going to put in your official BC email address. You'll put your name, and you probably are not under 13 years old. Check these two boxes and click Apply for Free Products. By the way, if you are under 13 years old, have your parents check this box or have your parents vouch for you here, because I think if you're under 13, they will not give you the educational license for free. So you do need that for this class, and you can just put it under your parents' name or whatever. Most of you are going to be over 13, so that's not going to apply to you. So once you hit Apply for Free Products, you should get some kind of confirmation email at your official BC email address, just saying that your application has been accepted. You may have to create a username and password, and you want to write those things down because you're going to use those in the next step here, which is to download and install PHPStorm from JetBrains. Now, when you click that link, it should take you to the appropriate operating system that you have, whether it's Mac, Windows, or Linux. And you want to make sure that you're installing the correct version of this software based on what kind of computer you have. And Windows, you can see, has a few different ones as well. So you need to make sure that based on the type of processor and the type of computer you're using, that you download the correct version or it will not work. Another thing that I want to point out here is that there is no Chrome license. So you need either Windows, Mac OS, or if you want, you can use Linux, although I won't support Linux for this class. So once you download this and install that by running that file, you will be prompted to either start your 30-day free trial or log in using your JetBrains account. You want to log in at that point using your JetBrains account, because if you use the 30 free day trial or the free 30-day trial, you won't be able to complete the class, and eventually you're going to have to register that account anyway. So go ahead and do that straight from the beginning, and that way you won't have trouble when you get 30 days into the class and your 30-day trial runs out. And once you do that, you should be able to continue on with the next video that shows you how to set up a project in PHPStorm.